the start of today's ride. We are starting from Minions. I have my other half with me. She's off to go for a walk somewhere, aren't you? And a friend from Switzerland, regular. She's been looking forward to getting onto my channel, so she will now. And we're going to go for a ride. Our ride is starting up the hill to the mast against the wind. So uphill and against the wind. No talking to strange men. I know I do. Oh, Joss.
Got it. Never had so much wind when you were here before.
Like
I can't remember.
They did say, because we've got two jet streams coming across.
Is that Brent or? No, it's Kit Hill.
That's Kit Hill.
Kit Hill, yeah.
You might be able to see Brent from here. I think it's to the left of it. I think that right in the distance, that mound, it might be. We'll see. Right, here we go. It's horrendous, it really is. I cycled up from Minions, the tea shop, from where we started just now, and it was against the wind all the way up. So I'm hoping when we go down here in a minute, down towards Pensilva, the wind will be either into our sides or behind us. This is a slightly different trail from what I normally take. And as you can probably realise, I'm back on the mountain bike today. That's a nice track actually. That's good. Excellent. Regulars on our way down somewhere. There were a couple of boulders in the middle on the way down. I had to steer around.
Okay.
Now this trail just goes straight down to Pensilver, or the top of Pensilver. Everything is quite dry still, considering we've had some rain. But because it's been dry for so long, it's staying quite dry. That's good. Right. Where's Regular? She's behind me. It's nice to get back on this bike again. I do love the mountain bike. I'm really enjoying the other bike, don't get me wrong, but this is certainly whoop, more me. I nearly fell off the bike then from the wind.
I'm looking forward
To full suspension.
yes.
Regular is having full suspension. She's ordered herself a new bike, haven't you?
I have it.
She doesn't like the bumpy roads, so she can sit in comfort like an armchair, and then you'll be in front of me. Here are the horses that we saw earlier, back with us. Thank you. You're going to be famous now. You'll be on my YouTube channel. Where were you?
I know, you beat us. You beat us. Oh.
Next downhill, I love this bit. Just let it roll. Yeah, fantastic. What a lovely day. Right out of the wind now. It's really nice. Nice tricky one now for you, Regular. Probably doesn't look much on cam. She's there.
Well done.
Well done. That's lovely, look at that. Oh. This is good. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yes.
She's enjoying herself.
Yes, she does.
She's smiling and she's happy. She calls her bike Snowy because she's white. Oh. Right, nice little descent for a little bit, and then climb up the other side to the quarry. She's out walking over this side somewhere, I think. Not sure where. Hello. Hello. Not interested in us.
Hasn't seen a bike yet.
Pardon? Hasn't she?
He hasn't seen a bike yet, no.
Another one in the bag.
Oh yeah, he's old.
Is he?
Yeah. I have to carry him up the hill and then he can walk down, so
Right.
I'm going down now. Come on.
See if he wants to walk down.
He's probably quite happy in there.
He loves
Yeah,
it.
he is. He loves it. Well, I don't want to exclude him from the walk, so
No. Well, he's still with you.
it's not bad for 15.
Pretty good. We just met a couple on their bikes, and one of the chaps the same age as me, 66. The other chap was 80.
Oh, right.
He's got a motor on his bike, but he's out there. He was just saying, 80 years old. It's really good, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's hope for us yet, regular. There's hope for us yet.
Well, I was at work this week. We had a locum nurse come in and work that we hired as a locum. And the manager came to me and said, "Oh, we've hired a locum nurse. She's 82. Is that all right?" I was like, "I don't think we can refuse her on her age, but I hope so." Yeah, she came in 82. She's brilliant.
Some people are just amazing for their age,
Yeah.
as we are, of course, as well.
Yeah.
Enjoy your walk. It's nice to get off road again. And of course, every descent there's a climb. There goes regular with a motor. Come on, John. You crazy woman! Oh. Bloody hell. Come on, regular. I get to 16 miles an hour and her motor stops, so make the best of it. I'm doing 18. Cracking speed. And on a climb, slight climb. That's good. Keep this going. Through the middle. Hello. I thought the wind was going to take me then. You should have your camera ready. Trying to look cool, that could have gone wrong. Fatally wrong. Got two little ducks here that have appeared. They're quite young ones. Not quite sure what they're doing here. I don't know why they're here. They're quite young ones, aren't they, Ricola?
It's a lovely place here.
Pardon?
It's a lovely place.
It
I
is.
like it here.
This is normally a really fast, not descent, it's not going downhill yet, but it will be in a minute. But the wind is really against me. As you can tell, it was behind me just now, coming up here, when I left Regular behind on her e-bike. The wind is so strong. it'll be interesting playing this video back to see how the wind muff performed or performs.